Hey everybody, Pete at Carpizzos. I've got some cooking, eating, and enjoying thoughts for you to have. To make it easier for cooking at home, you need to make sure you plan your meals for the week. Gather your ingredients, go to the store, get what you need, have it in the refrigerator, have it in your pantry. Then get your kitchen ready, clean it all up. Look at this other kitchen we have. We have everything off the counter. So this way you can get your stuff going and get it to prepare it. Follow your recipe, that's important, but you can also take a little bit of testing to see if you like a little salt more, a little spice more, a little less, little whatever. Put the hot sauce, don't put the hot sauce, make it the way your family likes it. And then cooking techniques. Learn how to do a few things that I've been showing you, and I'll be showing you more things as we keep going, and keep it healthy. Turkey, chicken, okay? Turkey, chicken, fish. Turkey, chicken, fish. All right? Stay away from as much red meat unless you love it so much, but don't eat it every day. Portions. Cut your portion sizes down. Look at my stomach. I got a little bit here, but for being 71, I'm doing pretty good. So, portions. Cook in batches, and then you could put some in the freezer. All right? Good thought. All right? Experiment. Don't be afraid. Open the can, open the flour, open the box, open this, do that, pour it in, shove it over, and enjoy the process of doing it all. Okay? But remember, when you go from one step to the next, clean up after yourself so that when you go to the next step, you don't cross-contaminate. You don't have chicken juice on the board. Clean that off. Use one board for meats. Use one board for vegetables.